Perhaps you have been wondering about the beautiful buildings or the extraordinary rituals and just wish you could explore more. Perhaps you met a person who touched you by their kindness and they told you about their faith. Perhaps you heard about Jesus, Mary, the saints, but wonder what all of it means. Perhaps you are both puzzled and amazed by what is claimed that Catholics stand for, and just desire to enter into conversation to know more. Perhaps you grew up in a Catholic culture, but still wonder whether a Catholic life could be for you. Perhaps you just feel it in your guts that something is prompting you to take a big leap. No matter your questions or your reasons for being curious about the Catholic Church, we are here to listen, to welcome, and to walk with you as you explore if becoming Catholic is for you too.